Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to check server status in Hostinger. So the first thing you can do is to check the Hostinger official system status, and you can do this using a website called statusgator.com and search for Hostinger DNS. On this page, you can see if the Hostinger DNS is down. You can see the Hostinger DNS service health, and you can see any top reported issues and any recent outage reports. You can also monitor the server health in your H panel of your specific personal websites. So if a website is down but the official status is green, you may have exceeded server limits. So to do this, you click onto your websites, and there we're going to click on over to the dashboard. Then in the left-hand panel, you're going to click onto hosting plan and resources usage. So here is where you can see what type of usage you have for each website. So I can see the disk usage, files and directories, and other resources that my websites are taking up. So that's it. That's how to check those things. It's pretty simple. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.